I'm Eric Reese. I sell real estate for a living, but I fly and instruct in the Aerostar for fun. Join us on our travel and training adventures in the world's fastest light piston twin.
So let's see, oil's been changed, hooked the starter back up, put new filter on, safety wired everything. There's no plugs in it. All the plugs are hanging out and have been tied off so they're not anywhere near metal because the shower spark system will be active and it'll be sparking. So I'm just going to pull it through a whole bunch of times and see if we can get a little bit of oil getting in there, and then we'll fire the starter up and see if we get oil pressure. Can't do the other engine today because the governor's not on it and it would be spewing oil all over the place. So I'll pull this through. Gee, there's no compression. What the heck?
It's kind of nice.
I don't think this is going to run. Not with no compression. Oh, and what else do we need? Sparks?
Yep.
Okay, that's nice. I can hear the oil going squish, squish, squish in there. Okay, let's go over here. And all clear.
All clear.
Yeah, we're in the hangar, perfectly safe. Don't have to worry about anybody wandering in. It's kind of dark in here. Let's see if we can get some lights going. Over by the oil pressure gauges, which are right up here. And so it's going to be the right engine. So we're not going to do the normal. Fuel's going to be off. The pump's going to be off. Mixture's going to be cut off. And everything else looks good. Because what I want to look at
Oil pressure
is the oil pressure gauge. So that should start spinning. All clear out there?
All clear.
Okay. There it goes. On oil pressure.